So, mahaba pang proseso.
Ma'am, can I clarify?
Yes, Senator.
Pa-clarify lang, factual lang, Ambassador Lacanlao. So, you were there to oversee?
Yes.
When you say there, you were in Villamor.
The airport.
Okay.
The airport.
Then, did you accompany them on the plane?
Yes,
Yes.
Mr. Senator.
And then, did you stay in the Netherlands?
Yes, I stayed there for 2 days.
Okay, and hindi mo alam na dadalhin siya doon?
Hindi po. Can I make a clarification? That time,
Pwede ko lang itanong, isang hirit lang. Wala ka sa listahan na binigay ni General Alcantara, yung mga nabigyan ng diffusion notice, ano? Wala ka doon sa listahan ng NBI, Chief PNP, wala ka doon sa listahan. Paano man nalaman?
I was informed informally by Executive Director Alcantara.
Informally.
Apo.
So you were also there informally. You had no formal function at the Villamor or the airport sites?
I was there to oversee, ma'am, lang the PCTC. Hanggang PCTC lang po ako. Yun
Okay.
lang po yung aking...
Can I clarify that?
Yes.
So, sabi mo kanina, you were there to oversee. I'll clarify what oversee means. But sabi mo, hindi mo alam na dadalhin siya sa Hague.
Mhm.
Pero yet, sumakay ka ng aeroplano, sumama ka, you stayed in the Hague 2 days.
Yes.
And sabi mo, hindi ka alis, nandun ka lang.
Okay, can I
Yes,
explain,
yes.
Mr. Senator? That time ho kasi, the members or the staff of the Interpol NCV Manila, wala hong available na mga kasamahan natin doon na may passport na ready. So, I volunteered, Mr. Senator. I just want to make clear.
Yeah.
Magsiserve
So,
lang
if you-
kayo ng diffusion? May dala ka pang passport?
Hindi po. Hindi
So,
po.
Kasi sabi mo lang yung iba walang passport. Ikaw lang yung may passport, may visa.
Apo.
Kaya alam mo na itatangay sa ibang bansa.
Hindi po. Yung passport po, nasa sasakyan ko lang parati eh. So, kagagaling ko lang po kasi ng Geneva. Kakauwi ko lang ho ng Geneva that time. So, kaya ho yung passport ko, nasa sasakyan ko lang. Hindi pa ho ako nakakapag-unload.
Okay. I was gonna ask that na kung hindi mo alam na dadalhin doon, pero sumama kayo sa 2 days, tapos may passport ka, but nasa kotse mo passport, okay. But you volunteered to accompany, why?
To accompany the former president.
Because kailangan, what was the reason? Sabi mo, yung mga kasamahan mo walang passport.
Hindi po. Wala po akong sinabing kasamahan ko walang passport.
Sorry.
Ang wala pong passport that time, yung mga PCTC
Okay.
members, ma'am, na
Okay.
supposed to be sasama din that time. Wala hong silang available noon.
So were you appointed representative of the PCTC?
Yes.
Were you appointed representative of the Interpol in the Philippines?
That time, I was appointed, yes.
Who appointed you?
The PCTC, Your
So
Honor.
can on that day,
Yes, sir.
so buuin natin kayo lang mga militar at polis nakakaintindi ng 3-4 na letra yung Philippine Center for Transnational Crime. Sir, can you appoint the representative ng Interpol on the spot? Kasama sa powers yon. If I check with Interpol, so kung today pwedeng ako representative ng Interpol?
Para pong hindi yata kasama sa function ko yun.
Well, kakasabi lang ho ni Ambassador, kayo daw nag-appoint sa kanya.
Yun po sabi niya eh.
So, but you're saying it's
Ito nga
not.
maintindihan.
So hindi niyo po
Tanggapin ko na rin
no.
po kasi he
Yeah.
is a competent authority.
Yeah, no, let's
Tama
you're
po.
under oath, sir.
Oh.
You're
Did
under
you
oath.
or did you not appoint him as
The good ambassador
representative?
is a competent authority to represent us.
But you
Yes.
did not appoint him.
Hindi question if he's a
Hindi po ako appointing
competent.
authority.
Hindi
You're
ka
not
appointing
appointing,
authority.
okay.
Klaro po yun. Executive Order 265, saan sa buong executive order na nagtatakda na magkaroon ng special envoy, sinasabi na meron kang papel para mag-oversee. Wala kasi akong mabasa
Hindi po.
katulad ni Senator Cayetano
Madam Chair, yun nga po yung relasyon ho namin ng OSCE and PCTC, sila yung aming secretariat and operational.
sekretarya lang ninyo, siya pang appointing ninyo.
Hindi
Parang
po,
ang gulo.
hindi po.
Boss ba ninyo yan or utusan?
Hindi po, clear ko lang ho. Kasi that time, wala hong available na members ng PCTC anang may passport noon. So, kaya ho sinabi ko kanina, I volunteered para ho i-accompany ang former president in behalf of the PCTC.